Oh baby, why are you crying? I don't know why. Please tell me your plan. If I leave you here, you just cry so loud. I don't wanna let you cry because you're very young for me to leave you because you don't have family here. You're just sitting on that bush. I wanna help you. Please just tell me your problem, baby. Please tell me your problem. Oh. Yeah, baby. What are you gonna do with yourself? Your problem's very hard. Please tell me your problem before it's late. Oh, baby, yeah. Oh, please, baby, tell me your problem. I don't why are you crying? I'm gonna take you home because you're crying. My mommy tells bring home baby that cry. Oh, baby, please tell me. Oh, tell me what is your problem? If I leave you, you're just crying loud here. Oh, baby, yeah, oh. Oh, baby, please tell me your problem. Oh, my mom's tell me, gonna home you because you're crying so loud. Oh, baby, I must feed you milk because you're hungry. If you want me to drink milk, oh baby, I'm just gonna feed you if you just want. Just tell me your problem. I wanna know your problem. 'Cause you have problems in here. You're just here around this road. So I wanna take you away from here. So there's many wild animals and persons here. Somebody might kidnap you and somebody cats or dogs might bite you or scratch. Oh. I wanna know your problem because you're very sad. I can't leave you here because you're very young. If I leave you here, any wild things will go to you and beat you. Just please tell me your problem and I'll help you. I wanna help you, just tell me your problem. Please tell me because I'm tired and it's getting too late and it's dark now. Just please tell me your problem. Please tell me your problem.